Right, good morning. Okay, I removed the Jeep, one side of the Jeep, yeah, and put the Jeep on axle, or the tub on axle stands, so that I could put the spare tire on, right, the spare wheel on. Reason being, I need to put the jerry can bucket on, right, and that, if you see, I couldn't have put it without putting the wheel on, because if I drill the tub in the wrong place and then try to put the wheel on and it doesn't fit, I'm in trouble. So I need to go and see now where it's being put, and that's why it's good to have another Jeep, which is actually finished. Let's see. You see, and these are Land Rover wheels, so 17-inch. You see how close it is? It's like, it's about 20 mil. So, and it's like a gas mask, I think. Yeah, about an inch. Yeah. And that is about 6-inch from the bottom and about 20 mil from the side. 6-inch from the bottom. I don't want to go over the Ford. And by the way, have a look at that. That's green, which means I need to spray it. So that's it. Anyhow. That's what I do usually. When I'm in doubt, I just come back in to the other shop and check before drilling. As you can see, all the stuff is in that needs to be in. Plates, footrests, back seat, yeah. Back boots with the locks. Fitting.
She's right here, right now. I was watching the Fiat Cinquecento, a luxury car with a clock that changes automatically twice a year. Oh, run some quizzles, he says. Oh, come on. I've got an executive van, and the clock in my van changes every time I go over a pothole.